So we started with the Flip 6. This is the Flip 6 rolling in. So let us feel the vibe. Now this is the Charge 5. This was at 50% volume, so let's crank it up to 100% volume, right? So we'll play the Flip 6 and then we'll continue from where the Charge 5 stopped. Charge 5. So yeah, this is my creative on the differences between the Flip 6 and the Charge 5. So let me know your thoughts and which one will you be picking. And if you want to grab yours today, remember you can pick one at EmmysRoom store. If you're on YouTube, you can actually click the link in my description and you can go and shop yours because they are at discounted prices, which is very, very cool. So yeah, take on fam.